Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to discuss, should you use value area high and low and point of controls for market profile, volume profile. To me, they're all the same. They all kind of work the same way. So I'm going to let you guys know what my thoughts are. And also comment down below if you guys use a market profile. Let me know if you guys enjoy it, you don't, and things like that. So let's jump right into the video. So right here we have a chart. Okay, and essentially we have our market profile here. Okay, and then what we hit, or volume profile, and then what we have is value area high, value area low, and then the point of control. And essentially the point of control is where the most volumes traded. Value area high and low is where 70% of whatever time frame that is, 70% of all the volume traded in between those levels, right? So we could see here is where 70% of all the volume has traded. Now, I personally like using, when I use these levels, only regular trading hours only, not so much the extended trading hours. And then what I'll do is I look for potential areas that have not been tested, right? So we could see this value area level's not been tested. This one has, because it got tested here, right? All these have been tested, but this one hasn't. As of this day, this one hasn't. This one hasn't. And also, the point of control hasn't, because we closed here. And so the next day we're either going to go up, down, open right where we're at, and then we'll either work our way up or down, right? So the major question is, should you be trading these levels? If price comes down to this level, right? So let's say price starts to fall, should you put an order in and look for a bounce? Well, my question, or my answer to that is, I'll tell you right after this, but watch this quick thing. If you want to help support my channel and you trade the S&P E-mini futures, then you need to check out my one-time payment, $99 all-in-one S&P 500 package deal. You will get weekly trade zones, also my top 5 trading strategy video course, and access to my private Discord where I give daily trade zone setups every morning. You can also just purchase the Discord chat room for $30 a month. But in the Discord every single morning, I update the trade zones and also give you Thinkorswim share links and update trade ideas. So make sure you check it out. Go to daytradingfearless.com or check the link down below. But right back to the video. Okay, sorry about the little tease. Had to kind of let you guys know about my my S&P video course. But here's what I would say. I use these levels with discretion. I look for when price is coming to this level, I look to the left. Is there prior support or resistance level there? Also, these, I just look for a quick scalp. I'm not saying prices can come down here and bounce and come all the way back up here. Sometimes they do, but for me, it's more of, if price comes down, let me get in and get me out. Also, what I like to do is I like to maybe draw like a little trade zone. So if there's a trade zone in this level and we come down to it, yes, I really like it. My stop will be right on the other side of that trade zone, but I like, because now I have a box. Here's a perfect example of a great trade zone, right? Go from bearish to bullish, kind of take off, come back, very first retest. I would definitely look to be a buyer, but there's also a value area low from this day. So now I have multiple things, multiple confluence levels, right? And I'm just looking to kind of get in, get out, maybe take a point, 2, 3 points, depending on the risk, because I am a day trader. I'm not looking for 20-point moves. Usually it's just quick little moves around these trade zones. So hopefully that helps. So yes, I do like them. Point controls, I say act probably better than value area high and lows. Okay, so definitely put more emphasis on the point of controls. I personally will usually just draw the point of controls. I will not play around with the value area high or lows. That's just me personally. It's a personal preference. So my charts would look something very similar to this, where, okay, hey, point of control, look at what price did here, right? Here was the prior point of control. Price came down, came up short, and then bounced. If it comes short within a couple ticks, a point, okay, and then bounces, the trade's over. I won't take the retest of it. But look at this, right? Kind of price came up, pulled back a little bit, could make a trade there. Here we opened, came down, bounced, right? You could see that. So yes, they do work. Point of controls are a lot better than the value area high and lows. So that's my thoughts on it. I hope this helped you guys if you do trade a market profile, points of control, value area highs, lows, things like that. But as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.